Okay guys, today we're gonna do a spread in my small account on Trader Workstation. Interactive Brokers. Let's see, let's start out by coming down here to Options, bottom left tabs. I'm gonna come to Options, I'm gonna choose what strikes I want to trade. So I'm gonna turn on Strategy Builder, right? And clear legs 0.04. Let's come up to a 0.1 delta. Let's get a little more. Let's go where the volume is, probably at 250. Let's sell this one. How far out of the money are we there? We are trading at 69.30 right now, so it'll be 80 out of the money. Let's go. Sell this one, 10 spread. Buy this one. Alright. So that's going to give me about what I want. So I'm going to try to get 40 cents. The spread is going to be 45 by 30. Let's see if I can get 40. I'm going to choose 40 cents. I want to sell two, but right now I'm going to sell one. I want to add to watch list, but let me show you a trick. So if you want it to go to a watch list, I'm going to go to test, and I'm going to just touch test by clicking on it. Now I'm going to go back to options, and I'm going to say add to watch list. Okay, it was added to test. The last one you touch is the one it adds to. Here it is. This is the one from last week I sold, so I'll delete that one. Alright, so now we're 40 by 25. So I'm going to right click, and I'm going to use I'm going to trade order ticket. Okay. Now you can see exactly what you're doing. You're going to sell. It says buy, right? You're buying, but you're going to sell the near strike and and buy the further away strike. This is a put, so 50 is going to be closer to the money, 40 is going to be away from the money. So we're 10 wide, or $1,000 of liability, and then I want to get 40 for it. I'm going to transmit it and see if we get it. I'm going to say do not use. Let's see if we can get 40 filled on this. If not, we'll move it to 35. Okay, I'm back. We filled. But I filled it for 40, and I'll tell you why. Well, we came down a little bit, but I'm going to open another one as well. So I'll show you how to do it. Trade, and we'll say order ticket again. And that was our problem. I have one, but I want to get one more. I'm going to buy one more. Same thing. 50, 40. Selling the 50, buying the 40. Limit. And I did it at 40 cents. I'd actually try another one at 45, but here's what I didn't do. Allow this order to be filled outside of regular trading hours. As you can see, it's now at it says 16:09, but it's not. I don't know why that clock's. It's 12:18 a.m. U.S. time. 12:18 a.m. So just after midnight. All right, we're going to accept it. We're going to transmit this one. One limit, 45 cents. Alright, that one's sitting here to be filled. It's 45 by 30 currently, and I have a position as 1 here, okay? So now what I wanted to show you here was that you can place a stop order. I'm going to go to trade, order ticket, alright? And so since we bought it, which is buy, it's going to be the 650, right? And sell, because we sold the 650, so it's still going to be a buy 1, and we're not going to worry about this limit price right now. We're going to come to conditional. We're going to add a condition, and we're going to say price, the price of SPX, or no, IBUS 500, because it's after hours. So we're gonna follow the US 500 IBCFD pricing. So it's going to be less than or equal to, and it's going to come, we're going to have it come down, right? So it's going to come down to what? So 68.50 is our spread. So I would say within 25 of that. So we're currently trading at 69.35. So I'll say 68.75. If it comes down to 68.75, right? I'll kind of show you how I come up with this number as well. We bring that. I didn't even think about that, but I'll bring that over here and show you. Finish it, and there's our conditional order. Let me bring this over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So we've got SPX here. We're going to build a spread, a bull put spread. And we're going to be selling the 68.50, buying the 68.40, right? So credit $30, but we can do better than that. Anyway, and then I'll just save it. Save this trade. Save it, which will give me the ability to come back to here and look at our pricing. 203 and 167. There's our 36 credit. Okay. All right. So what I do is I come down to 68. Got to get some more range here so I can see 68. Okay. Here's where actual spread is right here, right? Okay. But at 68.75, right about here, right? And we'll say it's now, right? Monday, 2, 3, 4 a.m. All right, so 68.75. So we're going to be on the hook for $3. So $2.88. So it's not the full $10. We've collected $36, 36 cents or 40 cents. That's probably with the fees taken out. But anyways, 288. So we'd be out 300 loser if we hit it in a couple hours. Now every hour that goes by, the less you'll be out at 75. 261. 9:30, 10 o'clock. We hit 75. It's at 228. So closer we get to expiration, the lower your break-even point is. That blue line is break-even on option strat. So you can use this tool for free actually, and you can see we'd be out $3 right now if it jumped way down there 100 points. Okay. Or not 100 points because we're at 68, 69.30 right now. This doesn't update after hours, so say 55 points, 50 points down, then it would stop us out. Okay, that's how I come up with that. So now we'll bring back Trader Workstation. All right, cool. Coming down, and looks like we got filled on that one. So now we have 2 positions. And by the way, this is one of the reasons why people don't like to use IBKR as well. We're just going to go set up our conditional price next. It'll be IB, and then you'll choose it under the CFD here. Less than 68.75. I usually hit tab to finish that. Finish. Basic. We're going to buy. Should be sell, but it's got it backwards. 2 outstanding. Day. Allow this to be outside of trading hours. Market. Limit. but market. So market limit, market, boom, and post only. And market, post only, limit, allow order. We'll come up to $1. There we go. Not immediately executable, which is not a problem. Override and transmit. Alright, so now we have a stop and do not use. Okay. So now we have 2. Bill outside of trading hours. Limit 1, but we have post only. Okay. And that's how you do it based on underlying.